Today you're going to learn how to play a super easy version of Clair de Lune on the piano. This is a super easy and simplified version of the song, so if you're new to the piano, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do. If you would prefer to use the sheet music, I'm going to link that down below. Let's get started. So we're going to be going through this hand separately first, so I'll show you just your left hand and then your right hand and then how to put it together. We'll be going line by line so that you can go back and review any parts that you need to. For line 1, this is what it sounds like, and then I'll go through it hand separately. Okay, so let's just do left hand first. Left hand is going to start with finger 3 on the E that's above middle C. So here's middle C, finger 3 is going to be on E there. You're going to hold on to it for 8 counts, and then you're going to shift up your thumb to A flat, which is just the black key in the middle of the set of 3 black keys. All right, so you just go from E to A flat. And then with your right hand, you're going to start with your pinky up on this high G, and then you're going to play E. And then you're going to pause for a second and then play D, E, D. Let's put it together with both hands, line 1. So left hand's going to start on the E, and then right hand's going to come in with the G, and then E. Notice how we're holding on to the E's together. And then left hand's going to play A flat. Okay, and that's line 1. For line 2, this is what line 2 sounds like. All right, so let's break it down. So for line 2, left hand is still with finger 3 on E. You're gonna hold on to it for 9 counts, and then you're just gonna play D for 9 counts. All right, so right there, just 2 keys, super simple. Right hand is going to play, you're gonna start with your thumb on C right here, and you're gonna play C, D, C, E, C, and then you're gonna pause, move finger 2 down to B, and you're gonna play B, C, B. All right, so let's do right hand one more time for line 2. You're gonna play C, D, C, E, C, pause and move finger 2. All right, so now let's put it with left hand. So left hand will start on the E, and then you'll come in on the C, and then left hand will come in with D, move your hand. That's line 2. So now let's try to put line 1 and 2 together. So do you remember where you started? So we'll start on the E, and then we'll play G. And then remember, left hand goes up to A flat. Hold on to it. Left hand goes back to E. Left hand plays D, move your right hand. Okay, for line 3, I'm gonna play it first and then we'll break it down. All right, let's break it down. Just your left hand, finger number 3 is gonna be on middle C, and you're gonna hold that for 6 counts. And then you're gonna go down to B, just a neighboring note. And then you're gonna play A, which is a neighboring note as well, but this time you're gonna move finger 2 there. So notice that shift. You're gonna hold A, and then you're gonna play B and G sharp on the bottom, all right? This can either go by G sharp or A flat. In the sheet music, it's written as G sharp. All right, so let's do that again. So 3 starts on middle C, and then we go to B, and then we move finger 2 to A, and then we play B and G sharp together. All right, so left hand gets a little bit more involved there, but still not too difficult. And then right hand's going to play finger 2 on A, and you're gonna play A, B, A, D, A, G, A, G. Then you're gonna pause. While you pause, move finger 2 to F, G, F, and then then you're gonna end on E. All right, so let's try right hand one more time before we put it together. So start with finger 2 on A. You're gonna play A, B, A, D, A, G, pause, move finger 2, F, G, F, and then end on E. All right, so once you've got those down, then let's try putting it together. So left hand starts, we'll play A, B, A, D, A, then together on the B and the G, move left hand, and then all together. Such a satisfying chord there at the end. So that's the third line. So let's go back and let's try to put it all together for the first 3 lines. So we'll start here, remember finger 3 on E, right hand goes all the way up here to G, and we're gonna play, and then we're gonna play A flat in the middle. Hopefully this is all coming back to you. Then E with our left hand. This is where left hand has to move finger 3 to C, finger 2 with our right hand to A. These come together. Finger 2 moves to A down here. And then we get to play that whole chord together. Okay, for line 4, I'm gonna play it first and then I'll break down how to play it. Go with your hands separately first. So left hand is going to start with your thumb on middle C and finger 4 on G. You're gonna hold on to that for 6 counts, and then you're gonna lift up your hand and move down to F and A. So you've got F on the bottom and A on the top. You're gonna hold that for 3 counts, and then you're just gonna shift down. So now it's A on the top, E on the bottom, and then you're gonna shift one more time to D and F. Okay, so let's put that all together. So it starts on C and G for 6 counts, and then F and A, and then E and A, and then finally you end on D and F. With your right hand, your thumb is gonna start on E, the E that's above middle C. So here's middle C, here's E. You're gonna play E, F, E, A, E, then you're gonna cross over finger 2 to D, D, E, D, then quick pause, you'll play C, D, C, and then you'll end by going over to B. Notice how I did a crossover with finger 2. All right, let's put this together with our left hand. So left hand will start and hold on while right hand plays some of these beginning notes. So we'll play. Then we're gonna shift left hand. Shift left hand again, cross over, and then we move down. We play all those keys together, D and F and B on the top. Let's try that one more time. So left hand starts. Together. So that is line 4. That's as far as I'm going to go in this tutorial. There is a second part, and if you would like to learn the second part, make sure you comment down below part 2, please, and I'll make a separate tutorial on how to play part 2. The second part sounds like this. Okay, so if you want to learn how to play that next part, make sure you comment down below.